Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bugs Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have two coins. They are 8 Maradives, and that's M-A-R-A-V-E-D-I-S. The two Spanish coins, one's from 1844, the other one is from 1888. Let me just get my pointy stick. On this lady here is Isabella II. I started a small collection of her coins. These, I've got a couple of silver ones as well, but these ones are for, as I say, one's from 1844 and one is from 1888. On this, as I say, this is Isabella II. And on the reverse side we have the country and the coat of arms. We have a 3 fleur coins. The line is in 2/4 and there's a certain difference between the R and the S. Or the mint mark should be between the R and the S. Now where is the R and the S on these? If I turn the coin this way up, let's just, whoops, and bring this down a little bit here. I'm trying to find the R and the S. Reina de las España. I wonder if it's the S and the P. The S and the P are there, and there seems to be a mark just about here. Let me just bring that in. So I've got the S and the P, and I'm just wondering if it's supposed to be between the S and the P rather than the R and the S. We have the line here, and we have a mark just around about there. I'm not 100% sure what that mark is. Those are just the horses. Anyway, let's just take that up a little bit. Up a little bit more. There we go. They are, as I said, these are two. I really do enjoy these coins of Isabella's. They seem to just be something a little bit mysterious, a little bit different to anything else that I've seen or that I have in my collection. I think the mint is the Madrid mint mark, although I can't be 100% sure, because the Madrid mint mark is the one that I've seen today is not what I see there, so I'm not 100% sure. It could be somewhere else entirely. But what do you think of these coins? I'm enjoying collecting Isabella's coins when I can get hold of them, because they're so different. There's something mysterious almost about it. I don't know an awful lot about Isabella. There's the Madrid mint mark there. Although it does actually say the value is actually here. Can you see the 8's just here? And that M. The coin is 8 Maradives. 8 Maradives. Now I don't know whether that 8 and M is for that. Might well be. This is the 1844 one, by the way. This is the 1888, and we have exactly the same on that one. The 8 this side and the M this side. I can't see a mint mark on either of the coins, to be brutally honest. And this one's a lot more worn on the reverse, as you can see, so I think trying to find the mint mark on these two coins I've sort of failed. If I had an actual photograph as to where it was, I think it would make it a lot easier. What do you think of these two coins anyway? Do you like older coins like I do, or am I on my own on this one? I don't think I am, but you may well be amongst you guys, and particularly for older foreign coins. I'm going to put these back in the bag until I'm ready to flip them and put them into my wider collection. But as I say, I personally do like these coins, and I would hope that I can get more of them. As I say, I have a couple of silver ones lying about that I've yet to do the video on, so I'll be doing those shortly. In the meantime, I do a minimum of 4 and sometimes more than 4 videos per week. Hopefully that will give you as the viewing YouTubers a selection of what you would like to watch. I currently stand at around about 175 subs, maybe a bit more at the end of May. At the end of May 2023, by December, at the end of December 2023, I'd like to have 250 subs, if at all possible. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. And also, if you've not yet subscribed, could you at least think about subscribing? Neither of these cost you any money. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And hopefully, as I said, you'll find something you want to watch in the very near future. And until we do meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.